Money can either be lost or it can be invested. Let me explain. There's a lot of people who really think that if they hold on to their money, that they're going to be safe. And even in this economy, the best thing to do is actually to invest. Because when everyone is scared, you have to be prepared. You have to be ready to make the investment right now so it can actually lead you to the place that you want to be in the future. And then when all the prices go all the way back up, you're going to realize that you're the one that's going to profit. Your family is going to be in a better position tomorrow because of the decisions that you made today. So all I'm saying is to pay now so you can play later. Because if you play now, you'll have to pay later, and the cost is going to be much higher. Look, I've seen a lot of people turn down massive opportunities, and next thing you know, they have to use their emergency fund. They have to prepare for a divorce. They have to use their money for things that they never should be using their money for just because they didn't prepare themselves a year or two before. So put yourself in a position to win, and I promise you, you will have the success that you actually want.